Welcome back to a new mixed media tutorial. Today I'm sharing how I made this pocket-sized art journal. I have already prepared my cover and my back side. I used a Brusho background and cut two cards with a Sizzix die. The measurements are about 4 by 6 inches. I cut the same two pieces from a thinner cardboard and adhered both sides together. For the spine I'm using a piece of black cardstock. For my front side I'm using a stencil and some Crackle texture paste. While this is drying, I'm preparing my spine. I use a ruler and set marks where I want to have holes for the binding. I decided to make only 2 sections in my journal, but you can also have 3. The only thing you have to do is to make a wider spine. I add some silver embossing paste to the spine, just with my fingers. Now it's time to cut some inside pages. I use leftover distress oxide backgrounds, or you can use any kind of leftover paper. And I cut them to a size that is a little bit smaller than my covers. I'm folding the pages in half and add the same holes that I have in my spine to the crease. When the crackle paste has dried, I put the book together. I use a piece of ribbon to tie the inside pages to my book. And of course I need a little bit of decoration on my cover, so I use an embossed butterfly and color it in with distress inks. For the title I use a simple hello. It's a die from STAMPlorations, and I cut 2 pieces from black cardstock, and one of them will be embossed with silver powder. To get a thicker embossing, I add a second layer of powder to the first one when it's still hot. Thank you for watching today. Please give me a thumb up if you like the video. Bye!